Hey everybody, I'm at the World of Concrete Trade Show in Milwaukee. I'm here with Nikki. Nikki, thanks for having us.
Thank
so,
you.
Nikki's here to tell us about 3 new Packout crates.
3 new Packout crates.
Plus an insert.
Yep, plus an insert. Just released today. So we got 3 new Packout crates. We got the XL crate here, your wire pulling version. So this one you can fit 6 spools of wire, 500 feet. You just drop in your conduit here, 15 3/4 inches, and you can do your wire pulled straight from the box.
So conduit, we're talking like EMT, half inch, 3/4. What are we talking? It drops in.
This one's 15 3/4.
Okay, so you would just cut it to length.
Cut it to length, slip it
Slide
right
it
in
on,
there.
drop it down.
Yep.
Okay.
Then you've also got your regular XL version here. So this one's just got your dividers. You can go ahead and store your internal dividers in here for storage for hand tools, fasteners, any other small parts. This one is a 75-pound weight rating. You can also mount this one on the wall.
Does that mean I can step on it now?
No.
I use mine as a step all the time.
I wouldn't recommend it.
I know. I see 4 screws here. Is that to secure it to the crate?
Yep, these install right inside the crate.
Are there screws down low too, or no? It's slide. I see like a slide, so it indexes into the groove down there.
Yep.
And then 2 screws hold
right
it from
into
coming
the
out.
sides, and then the 2 screws up top.
To the groove here. Okay, I got you. So you got this with an insert. You've got this insert.
Correct.
And then medium and small, or is that what you're calling it? Or?
We're calling it low profile.
Low profile?
So this one here, just a little bit shorter. So this you can also stack on top here. You can store your bins in here, smaller parts.
I was going to say, what spawned this? Was it people wanted something for bins because it's lower?
Yeah, so these come out of your organizers, so your existing Packout products, so you can take those right out of there, dump them in here, also hand tools.
So these would be your most used fasteners and stuff like that you're using every single day. So it would be, for me, it would be like deck screws and framing screws, and or if it was a cabinet installation, I would have my cabinet screws in here, and I wouldn't have to deal with the lid.
Yeah,
right?
And any of these you can kind of take out, move around as you please, whatever works best.
I love doing that, like my little organizational.
Yeah, modular.
I like it. And then the little guy, what's that for?
So this is your compact. So this little guy flips up kind of like a handle here. So you can kind of carry this one around.
And it's kind of open in the front a little bit, like a park bin or something.
Yep, and since you say open, there's also the dividers here are going to be score and snap. So if you do want them to be a little bit shorter, you want to reach in and grab, you can go ahead and do that.
What brought this design?
Just a smaller solution of the current crate that we have. People are carrying things around. A lot of times users are using buckets just to carry things around.
But it also looks like it could go on a shelf, and you could kind of just, you know what I mean, like access it from a shelf, or if you had a setup like this.
Yeah, any easy access if you want to reach in, grab parts. It's open design, so.
So all 3 sizes are available now, or coming out?
These will be available late summer.
Late summer.
Yep.
And we're not 100% sure of pricing yet.
Not 100% sure yet.
I just can't use it as a step, guys, even though I do not do that at home, right?
Right.
I love it as a step. I put stuff in it, I put it down, sorry. Anything else we want to talk about?
Only thing I think I might have missed on this one. So I said 75-pound weight rating on this one, 50 pounds on this one, 30 pounds on this one.
30-pound weight rating. Does this come with the crate, or is that an accessory?
That one, I believe, is an accessory for the big one.
That's an accessory.
Yeah.
So
this would sell as a kit, though.
They do sell as a kit. Okay. That's awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks for giving me a little education on this. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.